How to disable YouTube search from YouTube home feed. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First we will launch YouTube application on your device. Sign into your account and on your home feed you can see the shorts section. Simply, what you need to do is tap on three dots of a particular shorts and tap not interested. Follow the same step for all of the shorts. Now refresh the feed once. Again, here is the sort section and follow the same step. Once you have continuously followed this step, you need to check by scrolling down. And you can see that the sort section has been removed and it has been disabled for now. So in this way you can easily remove or disable sorts on YouTube feed. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.